Super bright H4 LED headlight bulbs. H4 LED headlight bulb using customized LED chips with 20,000 lumens per pair, 6000K cool white light, 120W per pair, 3 times brighter than the traditional halogen lamp. No dark spots. No uneven beam pattern, no glare to other drivers. Silent heat dissipation long lifespan. Far lower than the halogen lamp, 40% cooler than others. High-quality aluminum body with copper core for maximum heat dispense, keeps the H4 LED bulb in good conditions. Greater than 50,000 hours service life. IP68 waterproof, 360-degree adjustable beam, IP68 waterproof and heat protected with integrated cooling chip and fan for heat dissipation. Rainproof driver, housing, and fan works even in extreme situations. Easy to install. Plug and play, can be installed in 15 minutes on your own. These H4 LED headlights work with most vehicles' computer system without error. Energy-saving design, more energy efficient than ordinary lights. Perfect beam pattern. The illumination center point of the LED chips are consistent with the halogen lamp, without astigmatism. Illumination range is wider and farther, give you a great driving experience. Top reviews from the United States. Super bright. The installation is as easy as replacing the normal bulb other than adjusting the beam to be correct, which the directions say how to do. These are stupid bright, which is great for me because I have a hard time seeing at night and the early morning when I go to work.